There's a quiet fleet on the streets of Castries. During the month of March 2026, the NDC-TEC Project delivered a suite of 22 new electric vehicles to various departments and ministries of the public sector. The units have been distributed to the front lines, including the police force, the fire service, customs, the water and sewage company WASCO, and the ministries of transport, health and education, to name a few.
Yes, the pilot is meant to demonstrate that EVs are not only suitable for normal users, but also, for example, for critical services, and also for services that, for example, will need to go over unpaved road, like Wasco. So it's a new kind of use.
So by putting this out to the public, we're showing them that we believe in the product. We're showing them that we have the confidence that this can do the job, that electric vehicles are the way to go.
Funded by the International Climate Initiative ICI and implemented by the German International Corporation GIZ, the project is a holistic effort to increase sustainability in the transport and energy sectors in Saint Lucia and the wider Caribbean. It directly supports the Government of Saint Lucia's target of a 22% emission reduction in those sectors by 2035.
With 22 vehicles on the road donated through this project will allow us to be able to show that we are going from planning to implementation, from shelf to action, taking what we say we will do and making it a reality that the people can see as part of our goal in terms of building climate resilience in Saint Lucia.
Secondly, we really want to have real-world data of cost savings. So there are cost savings because you don't use fuel, there are cost savings because there's less maintenance, and we want to see what the actual, in real use scenarios, what the cost savings are. And lastly, we want to see what the climate savings are in real-world scenarios. So we can do all the theory, but now we have to see it in practice.
Concerns about St. Lucia's steep hills and high mileage demands will be tested as these vehicles are part of a pilot that will demonstrate the positive impact of the e-mobility transition, a transition that is as much about the economy as it is the environment.
We lead by example, and so we want to be able to do our part in reducing those emissions.
Early projections show these electric vehicles will cut fuel and maintenance costs by at least 30% compared to traditional engines.
We're showing you that the vehicle type could also be more efficient because of the use case, and you're seeing them out there, they're being utilized and they're driving a lot. So we're also not only focusing on the technology change, but also the fitness for purpose.
So with the project, the vehicles come with telematics that allow us to be able to monitor performance, to see how the vehicles are doing on the flat roads as well as in the mountainous areas.
So the telematics is basically a device that we install on the vehicles. It goes into what we call the OBD port, the onboard diagnostic port, and that allows us to see how the vehicle is performing remotely. So it uploads to the database, we can track it in real time and see the position and that sort of stuff.
By proving these savings in the field, St. Lucia is creating a scalable blueprint for national fiscal relief, using real-world numbers to drive a cleaner, more affordable future for every citizen.